Hi friends, welcome to Results. Today it is the 93rd episode in a geography series. So today we're going to discuss about another country of the world, and that country is the country of, guessed it? So the country name is the one and only Burkina Faso. Yes, it's a country which is right stuck in the middle of West Africa, just south of the Sahara Desert, that is. So this country is weirdly very similar in shape with another country which we already discussed about, the Central African Republic. Their shapes are almost the same. So this is the one and only Burkina Faso. So the capital of the country is the town of Ouagadougou. Yes, it kind of sounds like a joke name, but it is an actual name. Yes. So this is the capital. So the capital of the country is also the biggest city in the whole country as well. So now let's see the neighboring countries for this country. So to the northwest there's the big country of Mali. Okay, Mali is here. Next to the northeast there is Niger. So Mali, Niger. So next to the south there are 4 countries. Okay, first is the big skinny country of Benin. I just call it Ben for this video. Next there is Togo, Togo. Next there is the one and only Ghana. And last and finally there's the Ivory Coast. Or Cote d'Ivoire. Yes, that is. So these are all the bordering nations for the country of Burkina Faso. So a long time ago the country was actually known as Upper Volta. So why was it called Upper Volta, by the way? So once upon a time it was French. It was under the French. So finally in 1958 they declared their independence. In 1960 the French gave their independence. That means the French approved of their independence. So they adopted the name Upper Volta, the Republic of the Upper Volta, because there was a river known as the Volta River, a big river here, and it will stretch into 3 pieces: Black Volta, White Volta, White Volta, and Red Volta. Yes. So the tips of these 3 tributary voltas will all end up in the Burkina Faso. So because all of these upper voltas, that means the ones which are the start of the main volta, so that means just the northern volta as a whole. That's why the country was once known as Upper Volta, the Republic of Upper Volta. Finally in 1984, the name of the country was finally changed to Burkina Faso, which actually means the land of the uncorrupted people. That's kind of false, you know. The country ranks in 77th in most least corrupted countries. But that's kind of the midway. That means there's still kind of corruption in there. Its name is kind of inaccurate. Yeah. Okay, so that is about how it got its name and its own name as well. So now let's look at just some of the statistics. So the land area of the country, just the area of the country as a whole, is about 274.2 thousand square kilometers, which makes it the 60th, 74th largest country in the world. Yeah, that's pretty big. Meanwhile, the population, which is 22 million people, made it the 60th largest country. I got a bit confused there, sorry for that. Okay, so now let's look into the geographical aspect. Let's just zoom into Burkina Faso. Make another copy which is just a bigger Burkina Faso. So this is Burkina Faso as a whole. So the river passes through about these regions, the 3 voltas. Okay, so the country is mainly split into 3 regions. based on climate and how it is there. Let's use another color. This green is through light. Okay, rivers in the regions. So this upper tip is a desert region, an arid desert, because over here the Sahara Desert begins. So this is arid desert. Okay. Meanwhile, this region, a big chunk of the country where the capital is also located, is an arid, guess it? Arid plains. Yes. So a big chunk of the country, i.e. the center, is a big plain, because the main chunk of the Sahel moves through here. So as well, because the Sahel is just a mix between an arid desert and just tropical savanna, that means a new arid plainlands is born between both of them. And last and finally, in the southwest, there is tropical savanna. Yeah. So that is the main geography of the place. Yes, there's still many other rivers which pass through the country. There are only 2 rivers which are kind of evergreen. That means they pass through the country even though in every season whatsoever. Yes, so the red and white volta will dry every year at some point of the year. But there are only 2 rivers which stay like this. They are the Black Volta and another river known as the Chrome River inside of Burkina Faso. Yes, that means many villages don't have frequent supply of water in all times of the year. The only major villages around these 2 rivers can have water supply all over the year, every single day of the year, unless there's a drought, that is. Yes. So, yeah, this is today about the country of Burkina Faso. Bye.